Hey, Grandpa Rick here. How are you doing today? Me, I'm doing alright. Cold out. It's about 60 degrees. It's cold. Well, I was shopping at the store the other day, at the grocery store, and I come along these pork rinds. Pork skins. And I don't know if you remember, a long time ago, every time I used to eat these, let me sit down. My legs are getting tired. Every time. Hey, let me tell you a story about pork rinds. I was at the grocery store the other day, and I was walking down the aisle there, and I seen pork rinds, and then I remembered they used to give me hiccups. Do you remember? A long time ago. It was either 4 or 40 years ago. I don't know. I think it was 44 year ago or 40 years ago. When I eat pork rinds, well, that's the last time I ate them. See? And maybe you've seen it because I put it there on YouTube. Way back there, I had this YouTube. And I said, every time I eat pork rinds, I get hiccups. Back then, I said that. And I haven't had pork rinds since then. What do you think, since now I'm older and wiser? Think I could do that? They got the same great flavor. These are called chicharrones. Max pork skins, original fried pork skins. You like them? Hey, doggy. Well, I'm gonna try them again. Right? Why not enjoy yourself the most you can? Live your life every day like it's the last, and buy some pork rinds and see if you hiccup anymore. Have fun every day. And just eat pork rinds. Oh, these are good for you too. See? Oh no, they ain't good for you. No carbohydrates. 9 things of sodium. 5 things of cholesterol. Cholesterol. 80 calories. Servings. 80 calories per servings. And there's 10 servings in here. So serving must be about 8 pieces. Anyway, I love them. Sometimes I eat them at lunchtime. Oh, a long time ago, I used to eat these little snack bags, you know, little 5-ounce bags. This here is a 5-ounce bag. Did I say that? 0% trans fat. Gluten free, that's good because we ain't gonna make gluttons out of ourselves. Hey. When I made that video 45 years ago, or last time I made that video, a lot of people liked it. They said, make another hiccup video. I said, but that was painful. I can't make myself hiccup. These always give me hiccups. I'll put part of that video down there. You can see some of that video. I looked younger back then, I think. Just the lights. These lights make my hair look lighter. So, if I don't get hiccups, I don't mind sitting here and talk to you till I eat this whole bag. What do you think? How you doing today? Got these out of the garden earlier. I'll make some hors d'oeuvres for lunch. I remember I used to eat a certain kind of donut that would give me hiccups. Sometimes I was shopping in the store and I grab a dozen donuts, but I eat one while I'm shopping because I'm hungry. I got hiccups like crazy. I'm good. The last time I made this video, I sped it up because I didn't know how long it was going to take. You want one?
No, thank you, Grandpa.
You got your own pork rinds. You get a grubby mix out of my bag. Oh, hey. Sometimes I have a drink. Maybe I'm cured. They said I'm well from it now. What do them youngsters call that? ASMR. In my day, microphones were that big. I got one over there somewhere. Some are crunchier than others.
Microphone in the bag. Try putting the microphone in the bag if it is.
People don't like that crinkling too much. You are the pork rind. Be the pork rind. Grandpa! I'm sorry, I gotta get hold of myself. Hey, it's the microphone. Just pull the cord out. So what's up yet? How many minutes has it been?
Seven.
I might be old better from it. Where's my glasses? Did you see my glasses? That's right, I don't need glasses to eat pork rinds. I always lose them. Did I eat them? No. Ow. No hiccup. I'm better. I'm better. I'm glad I'm better. Because I like pork rinds. Chicharrones. Get your ownies. I'm glad you were here to see this historical or hysterical event that I don't get hiccups no more. I didn't even burp. Ain't that great?
That's great.
Ain't. Maybe I'll speed up this here video and stop back if I get hiccups. Okay? So we're gonna look like fast motion. Like Walt Disney used to do. Remember them old days? With the hand cranks? They crank faster and faster and faster and faster and faster. Where did the time go? Mmm. They're definitely delicious. And I felt so bad when I couldn't eat them for 4 or 40 years. Look now, it looks like I could eat them again. Maybe go with hot sauce one day. Maybe go with dip. Hot sauce. Yeah, hot sauce! I got mushroom soup. Come on. Oh! Oh, yeah! Chipotle Tabasco. Yeah. If you got any extra. These newfangled clothes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't want to offend. No more hiccups. I'm cured from it. Look at this. Smoked Tabasco. Chipotle. Oh, what a flavor. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm sure I'm glad I ain't getting hiccups no more. Every time I eat the pork rinds, I get hiccups. Oh, now that's hot. I gave up hot sauce too, didn't I? Grandpa Rick here. I used to get hiccups every time I ate pork rinds. Did I ever tell you that? I was in the store the other day walking down the aisle. I was eating pork rinds. So I figured I'd try them again because it's been a long time since I had pork rinds. Especially if I get hiccups again. I don't get hiccups no more. Huh.
Seems that way.
I'm better. And usually I just have a little bag. A little lunch bag full. You know, it's a snack bag for your lunch box.
And I go crazy with the hiccups after that.
Why you do this to me, D-Meat? Why? Why, D-Meat? Why? You're not my mother! Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Guess I'm not getting no hiccups. Ain't that great? Thanks for watching. If I happen to get them, I'll come back and let you know, okay? Oh! But, right now.
I feel good. I've fallen and I can't get down.
All right. Get yourself some pork skins. See if you can survive the I didn't hiccup challenge. And like I said, if I get them, I'll come back, all right? But if I'm cured, I'm glad. That's amazing. That's amazing. Say goodbye. I almost ate the whole bag there and I didn't get none yet, so. I tell you, I did hiccup one time. But maybe it improves with age. Maybe your things get better. You don't hiccup no more. Oh. I'm not trying to do that. I ain't better. I ain't better. Why every time I eat hiccups, every time I eat pork rinds. Why? I didn't say anything about hiccups. Bring home the hiccups. Oh, the crunch. Why, Mac? Why you do this to me? I guess I ain't well from it now. I gotta go back to the nervous hospital. Try that. Do they give you hiccups? Sometimes it hurts. This time's making me laugh. Watch that. Watch that other video down there. I'll put a link down there. 4 or 5 or 4 years ago. I thought I was better from it. But I don't want to discuss you now, but I just want to see if I still get them after all this time. I do. How do you do it? You guys scare yourself? Get that loud horn on the ground over there by my... And now I know I ain't gonna be scared. You're gonna sneak up behind me. What do you think? Ah! That's the house! Alright. I'm gonna go. I can't. It didn't work! Alright. Bye. No more pork rinds for me, kids! Bye. I love you. I flipped my whip. Hi, everybody. I'm okay. Grandpa's okay.